Hello kids, it's a story time. The story name is The Hunter and the Pigeons. So let's enjoy. Once upon a time, there lived a hunter in a small village. Hunter sets out to catch birds. He lays a net and spread rice all over it. Shortly, a flock of pigeons comes by and start eating the rice and get caught in the net. They start to lose hopes. Just then, their wise leader asks them to fly together up in the sky. They do as told and carry the net with themselves. The hunter runs after them but is not able to catch them. The pigeons fly towards their friend's mouse hole. The mouse, on seeing this, cuts the net into pieces and free all the pigeons. So kids, moral of the story, unity is strength. Okay, thank you.